Hey guys, welcome back to another one. I'm Boosted John. I have been building cars in my garage for the past 8 years plus. Today I'm going to keep the talking to an absolute bare minimum. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys this. What even is this? This is a plug and play, allegedly. I have not tested it yet, so I'm going to let you guys know if it's actually plug and play. Amplifier, 4-channel. It allegedly just bolts in underneath your head unit in the same bracket, basically, as your head unit, and has got connections to just loop the wiring from the head unit to the power pack. They call it a power pack. Here's the wiring. Just a couple connectors. I think it's literally just this one is all I need. Now, I'm a little bit skeptical. First, why do I have this? Well, one, Atoto sent this out to me because I asked them to. I've worked with Atoto in the past. Yes, this is a sponsored product. They're not paying me for the video. They just sent out a couple of products. I'm gonna have more coming up soon, but I just wanted to test this out and make a quick video on it for you guys. Does it work? How does it work? Does it make a difference? And is it worth it? It's not expensive. It's only this much. And so if it's only this much and all you have to do is plug it in and bolt it up and you get better sounding speakers, might be worth it, but don't click buy yet. Let me test it for you first. I have no clue how this is gonna sound. The issue I've been running into with my sound system in my 8th gen is that my subwoofer kind of overpowers the speakers at lower volumes, and the speakers don't quite get loud enough for my taste. So let's see if we can crank a little extra juice out of the speakers, keep the subwoofer sounding good, and do it in the easiest way possible, because nobody wants to route all the wiring for a 4-channel amp. It's a pain. I've done it. No one wants to do it. All right, anyway, let's get it installed, and let's see how it sounds. I'm gonna just do a quick I swear I've done that exact thing before. God, I did it again. Okay. This kit will work in pretty much any Atoto head unit situation, I think. They do say that it's specifically for certain head units, so check on their site and see which head unit, see which amp you would want to buy for your head unit. But they do have a couple of different options, so the compatibility should be pretty on point. You should be able to find something for your head unit. Okay. Ouch. And let me take you over to the workbench where we're gonna be hooking this all up. The reason I'm psyched on this particular design and kind of how it works is this head unit doesn't have a ton of stuff behind it. Like when I first received this, I was like, there's no way the speaker's gonna sound good. There's probably no amplifier built into this anywhere. So like, what do you know, like, how does it produce any good sound? When I saw this come out, I was like, oh, that's the rest of the head unit. That's what this is missing. It's just missing the juice. That's my take on it, at least. I don't know if that's gonna be accurate, but let's get it mounted up. Let's get it plugged in. Let's get it figured out and throw it back in the car. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do for mounting it is I think I'm just gonna try lopping off that and lopping off that. And then these are threaded. So I'll just put screws through the top, and it may jiggle around a little bit, but better than nothing. All right, it's not horrible. That could work. Will it fit in the car? I don't know, but it mounted. So I mounted it to the top on my setup, and then to recap, wiring wise, we have the head unit outputting the sound into the amplifier input, meaning, you know, you're inputting sound into the amplifier. Amplifier does what it does, and then it's going to output through output 2 to the car, to the chassis. So Basically, the 20-pin harness that's in the dash needs to just get plugged into here, and it should work. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like rough set it up in the car and see what happens. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna fit, dude. There's a lot of stuff up there. If it doesn't fit, I'll be a little mad. I think it's gonna go, actually. Yeah, it's gonna work. Okay, plug everything back in that I can. The USB ports will no longer work, which is fine. I hardly ever use them for anything. Interrupting this install to let you know that Atoto sent me out 2 of these. One was supposed to be for what's gonna be coming in the next Atoto featured video, but I don't think I'm gonna end up using it. So I'm gonna be giving it away to one of you guys. Leave a comment down below. I'll select a random comment and I'll announce it in the next video who won it. All right, bear with me with the bad audio here. My microphone died, I do apologize. Anyway, the sound is much better. It's much more balanced, it's much louder. I'm like 2/3 of the way up on my volume level and the speakers are like blasting my ears out. Before, I used to take it all the way up almost before the speakers would even start to distort. Much better. The sub is keeping up, it's sweet. So anyway, does this device actually do anything? Yes, 100% it's doing something. Is it doing exactly what I want it to do? Pretty much, but I'm running into one issue. Is it the fault of the amplifier? I'm not sure. Is it the fault of the speakers that I have in the car? That could be it. Here's what's happening. If I crank it way up, like I'm talking loud, and I have it like that for a minute or so, the front speakers totally cut out. It just like stops sending power to the front speakers. Now, is that an issue with the amp? I'm not sure. It may be that the speakers that are in the front are just really crappy. It may be causing excessive load on the head unit. I have no clue. I didn't put the front speakers in, the previous owner did. I put the rear speakers in and they sound great. Yeah, toot my own horn here a little bit. But what I'm thinking might be the case here is maybe the front speakers are just drawing a different amount of load than the rears. Maybe the fronts are 2 ohm and they're really sucking juice out of that amplifier, so the amp has to kill power. Maybe it's overheating. Not too sure. But what I may do is just pick up another set of the same speakers I got in the rear, but for the front, slap them in at some point here, separate video. I might not even make a video. I might just do it off camera, and that'll be that. Wow, I said I wasn't gonna talk that much in this video, but I really am. Anyway, overall, is this worth it? For the price, yeah, 100%. I always felt like this head unit was lacking that oomph. This kind of fills that in. And now if you have a subwoofer in your system as well, it's kind of all you need unless you're like an audiophile and you're gonna go crazy. I'm gonna put some miles on it. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna see if I keep having this issue. If I do, check the pinned comment down below. I'm gonna leave an update comment on this video, maybe in a couple weeks after testing this product out, to give you my full final thoughts on it. But I just wanted to get this installed, get this video up, and show you guys the product. As for the gain on the side of the thing, literally just raw dogged it, picked whatever sounded good. Tried not to take it up too high because I don't want to have problems with anything. Anyway, here it is. It just still looks OEM. OEM look. Nothing under my seat. The only thing in my trunk is the sub. Probably a longer video than I was planning on making here. Probably a little bit more talking than I was planning on doing. But that is my take on this Atoto Power Pack. If you want to just send it and grab one based off the information you've seen in this video here today, this is the one that I used. There's all the info right there in the center of the screen. That's English. That's what you get. I don't know. Seems pretty good for the money. You guys can be the judge, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm still working on the EG engine swap video. Putting in the new motor. You guys have not seen that yet. And I'm also working on a Corvette video featuring some more Atoto stuff, which will be coming out here probably next. The engine swap video is taking me a long time. I'm just kind of at a standstill with it because I don't want to screw it up. It's like a really cool video, but I don't have it perfect yet, so still working on it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something new. Check out the links in the description down below. Thank you to Atoto for sending out this product. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm Boosted John. We deserve nothing, earn everything. Goodbye. Should I show you guys my Bible verse for today? Hold on, let's do it. Let's do today's Bible verse together. Kearney and I do a new Bible verse every morning. We have a calendar on the countertop that has a new verse for every new day. Kern, I'm showing him our Bible verse for today.
Move the sausages.
No, the sausages are cool.
No, move them.
September 2nd. Take my yoke upon you, and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly in heart, and ye shall find rest unto your souls. Matthew 11:29. Simplicity, the inward reality of single-hearted focus upon God and His kingdom, which results in an outward lifestyle of modesty, openness, and unpretentiousness, and which disciplines our hunger for status, glamour, and luxury. It's all about Him, boys.